Freezing your Transunion credit is an effective way to prevent unauthorized access to your credit report, reducing the risk of identity theft and fraud. Here's how to freeze your Transunion credit. Visit Transunion's website. Go to the Transunion website to initiate the freeze process. Navigate to Security Freeze section. Look for the section related to security freezes or credit locks. It might be under the Credit Protection or Security Center tab. Provide personal information. Fill out a form with your personal details, including your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Choose Freeze option. Select the option to freeze your credit. Transunion may offer different freeze options, such as temporary or permanent freezes. Set PIN. Create a unique PIN that you will use to manage your freeze. Keep this PIN secure and confidential. Verify identity. Transunion may ask additional questions to verify your identity and ensure security. Confirm freeze. Review the details and confirm the freeze request. Once confirmed, Transunion will restrict access to your credit report until you leave the freeze. Keep track of PIN. Make a note of your PIN and keep it in a secure place. You will need to manage your freeze, such as temporarily lifting or permanently removing it.